Good morning, students. We came with a new session in second year PU mathematics called determinants. It is chapter number 4. Now, what is there? Observe there. Determinant. What is a determinant? First of all, determinant is defined for only square matrix. That's why for every square matrix A, we assign a real or complex number is called determinant of matrix A. And denoted by what we are denoting means here det A or delta. Okay. Now here what you have to observe, specially this is the for only it is defined for only square matrix. That means observe what you have to observe. Determinant defines for only square matrix. That means det A defines if and only if A is a square matrix, and here this is not modules A. And how to calculate the determinant of matrices? That means here what you can observe there, determinants of matrices. Determinant of matrix. First one is singleton matrix. Singleton matrix. Singleton matrix. What is a singleton matrix means? That is order 1 by 1. That is A is equal to what you are going to get. This is the element A. This is 1 by 1. That implies det A is equal to you are going to get A. Now, if you want to calculate for the second one is, what is the second one? Observe there. Here, this is second order matrix. Second order. Second order matrix. That is, here what you are going to get, observe there. A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. That is the 2 by 2 matrix. Now here, how to calculate this one? How to calculate means, here observe there, det A is equal to what you are going to get? Det A is equal to you are going to get, you have to show this one in the bars. That is A11, A12, A21, A22. That is 2 by 2. Now, how to calculate means, this is nothing but we'll take difference of the product, that is elements of the principal diagonal to the elements of the co-principal diagonal. That is nothing but A11 into A22 minus A12 into A21. This is the det A of the 2 by 2 matrix. To remember this one, we will write simple way. That is, here we will write this one as the let A is equal to ABCD. Then what is the det A you are going to get? Det A you are going to get det of A, B, C, D. That is nothing but what you are going to get now? AD minus BC. That's what, remember, simple way we are going to use so many times. That is if A is equal to ABCD, then AD minus BC. Okay. Next, let A is equal to 4, 1 by 1. Then det A is equal to what you are going to get? 4. Let A is equal to 4. That is a singleton matrix 1 by 1. That implies det A is equal to 4. For example, if A is equal to here 1, 2, 3, 4. that is nothing but here what you are going to get, that A is equal to 1 2 3 4. Now just what do you know, that is product of the A11 A12 A21 A22. That means here what you are going to get, here this one you have to take the product and this one you have to take the product. That is nothing but 1 into 4 minus 2 into 3, that is nothing but 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2. And here observe, what you have to observe means delta is a real or complex number. Complex number will get very rare, but we will get every time. Regularly we are going to get real number. That means it may be positive or negative or 0. Now we will calculate third order determinant, that is 3 by 3 determinant. Now determinant of a matrix of order 3 by 3, that is 3, can be determined by expressing in the terms of second order determinants. Okay, this can be possible along row or column. That means that is there are 6 possible ways are there. 6 possible ways are there. How many? That means if you are taking that means 3 by 3 matrix, let A is equal to, if I am taken A11 A12 A13 A21 A22 A23 A31 A32 A33. If you are taken, this is the 3 by 3 matrix. That is, we can calculate with respect to row and with respect to column. Any row, that means we have 3 rows and 3 columns. No, that means we can calculate in 6 ways. Just I am explaining how to solve with row, and I am showing here. Here I am taking the row 1. I am taking here first one example, row 1, that is with respect to R1. I am expanding. Observe there. What are the elements? Observe there here. Here the elements are A11, A11, A12, A13. These are the 3 elements. 3 elements. That means how you are going to obtain means here multiplying the first term, that is the A11, that is a what you are going to get. To get that one, multiply the A11. That means A11 we should multiply with the minus 1 power 1 plus 1. What is this? This is the 1. No? This is minus 1 power 1, and the determinant which is obtained by that means eliminating this row and column, and that is second order derivative obtained by eliminating row and column in which the element lies. That is, if I am eliminated this row and this column. What you are going to get, observe there, determinant is, that is what you are going to get, data of A22, A23, A32, A33. Okay, that is what you are getting, that what you are taking, A11, that is what did a minus 1 power 1 plus 1 into A11 into A22, A23, A32, A33. Now similarly, what is the remaining elements? We should take similarly what we can take, observe there. Similarly, we can take here A12 is there, and you have to eliminate the row and column. That means similarly what you are going to get, minus 1 power. That means that is similarly for A12. What you can write, 1 power minus 1 power 1 plus 2, and this is A12 into data of what you are, if you eliminated that row and column, what you are going to get, A21, A23, A31, A33. And also what you are going to get, and for A13 is nothing but minus 1 power 1 plus 3 into A13. Now by eliminating that row and column, A13, no, A13, that means removing this row and column, what you are going to get, A21, A22, A31, A32. Now you got these all. Now we should take the sum of these. That means now what we can write? Now we can write. Now we can write that is data of A. Data of A, that is det A is equal to minus 1 power, that is what you are going to get, observe there, minus 1 power 1 plus 1 is the plus 1, that is A11 into data of, what is the remaining is there, observe there, if you are remember A22, A23, A32, A33. Now here next one, observe there, minus 1 power 1 plus 2, minus 1 power 1 plus 2, minus 1 power 1 plus 2, nothing but here what you are going to get, minus you are going to get, that's why you should write minus. Now what you are going to get, A12 into what you have, A21, A22, A23, that means here A21, A23, A31, A33. Again here what is there, minus 1 power 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 means 4, 4 even, negative 4 even is a positive, therefore plus A13 into what you are going to get, that one, if by removing that eliminated and row and column already you are solved, no, that one you are going to get here A21, A22, A31, A32. Now already we know that how to calculate the second order derivative, that is A11 into, here take the diagonal product elements of that is A22, A33 minus, and this one negative, that is A23 into A32, again minus A12 into, what is there now, again diagonal elements here, A21, A33 minus A23, A31 plus A13 into A21, A23 minus here A21, A32 minus A22, A31. Now if you want to take, you can take the product. Actually usually we'll, while you are calculating this one only, we are going to expand when they are given the numbers, but here the now unknown values, that's why we are writing this one as, observe there, now what you got, A11 multiply this one, if you are multiplied this one, what you are going to get, A11, A22, A33 minus A11, A23, A32 minus A12, A21, A33 minus no minus plus A12, A23, A31 plus A13, A21, A32 minus it, that is plus minus A13, A22, A31. This is the determinant of A by with respect to row 1. Similarly, we will verify with respect to the column. Now, I will write once again. What is that one? A is equal, what do you have? That A is equal to here. With respect to, that is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now here observe there what I am doing. Here now with respect to column, what are the elements of the column? A11, A21, A31. Now here about, that is here I am expanding about column 1 now, about column 1. Now what are the elements now here? Here is the first element is the A1. Now for A1 what you are going to get? A11 is, what is that element? Same thing, minus 1 power 1 plus 1 into date of A22, A23 and A32, A33. And for second element, what is the second element? Observe there, A21, that is A21. A21 means, that implies minus 1 power 1 plus 1 into date of. Observe there, A21. A21 means remove this row and this column. What you are going to get? A12, A13. A12, A13. And next one is the A22, A32, A33. This is you are going to get. And for what is the third element? Observe that. Third element is A31. A31 what you are going to get now here? Minus 1 power. Here in the previous case this is 2 plus 1. This is 3 plus 1. That is into. Now by removing that row and column, what you are going to get? This row and column if you are removed. This is the column and this row if you are removed. A12, A13, A22, A3. That means A12, A13, A22, A23. Okay. Now again date A is equal to, if I am written, what you are going to get? Minus 1 power 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is A11 into date of A22, A23, A32, A33. Again minus power odd, therefore it become negative, minus A21 into date of, what you are going to get? A12, A13, A32, A33. Further minus 1 power even, that is plus 1 plus A31 into date of A12, A13, A22, A23. Now here what you are going to get if you are expanded this one? A11 into, again expand this one. If you are expanded, A22, A33 minus A23 into A32 minus A21 into, what you are going to get? A12, A33 minus A13 into A32, A13 into A32, and plus A31 into, what you are going to get? Here A12, A23 minus A13 into A22. Further you have to expand this one. If you are expanded this one, what you are going to get? Observe there again, A11, A22, A23 minus A11, A23, A32 minus A21, A12, A33 minus into minus plus A21, A13, A32 and plus A31, A12, A23 minus A13, A22, A31. Okay, this is 31 and this is 13 and this is 22. Now observe there, compare this one. You got this one now? Again and A11, A11, A23. Got it now? Again A12, A21, A23. Again here A12, A21, A3. That means you got same thing or not? That means if you are calculated determinant with respect to row 1 or row 2 or row 3 or column 1 or column 2, column 3, you are going to get the same result. Thank you for this class.